Hello, here we are going to see how to import 2D model from a 3D geometry. To start with, we are going to open a new 3D project. Yeah, now the new 3D project is opening. And when you open, you'll see a modular context. In there, you're going to project, CAD import, and select in which format. I'm doing step file and I'm selecting the step model, and then I'll see if my import solids are yes, and then I'll leave rest all default, and then okay. This imports all my volumes in the 3D geometry, and this is the 3D geometry of an interior permanent magnet machine. Now to generate the 2D, we'll stay in the modular context, we'll go into project, 2D CAD export, and then export to step file, and here we'll give a name to the export, any name which you like to identify, and then select the object. You need to select the whole object to get the faces, and select XY plane, and you can select any version of step file, and then once you're sure with the directory in which to you want the file to be saved and the name, then you can click open and click OK. This will export a 2D model. That is done. Now you're going to open a new 2D project. 2D project is opening, and here is a new 2D project, and now we'll import the geometry by going into, first we'll close the 2D sketcher, and then we'll go into project and import, and then we'll go into geometry, import geometry, and then import geometry from step file that we created already with 3D geometry, and then we'll go into 2D export, select it, and then select import free faces because it's a 2D, and then click OK. This will import all the 2D faces in here, and you should be able to select any face that is there in the geometry, and all the faces for magnet, rotor, stator, windings, etc. And then you can access these faces through geometric entities as well. Each one of them, along with the faces, you'll be able to access lines and points also. Thank you.